How to delete Bing search history. So first step is to open your browser. I am now using Microsoft Edge. In the search bar, type in bing.com. Click the settings here, which is the three lines on the upper right corner of the page. Now proceed to the search history option. You will then be directed to this page, and in here, you will be able to see your search history. Now, there are check boxes beside search history. If you want to clear it manually, click on it one by one and then go back up for the clear button. But if you're going to clear all of your search history at once, just click this clear all on the right part of the screen and all of your history will then be deleted. So that is how to delete Bing search history. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.